Plastic Toy Soldier fans. In today's video, I've got some special bootleg or custom made toy soldiers of alien looking creatures. I bought these on Instagram. These were made in Russia by a guy on Instagram named Amazing Plastic Toys. Both these packs together plus shipping cost me $35. Quick and easy PayPal payment. So it didn't take long, maybe I think 12 days, 14 days total to get here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one here. Waranes, war machines from the planet Hades. Manufactured in Russia, March 2021. Celebrating some type of design by Mr. John Zelznick. Not familiar with that fantasy universe. Let's go ahead and open them up and take a look. I hate that I ripped that. I kind of wanted to save that artwork. I have to be more careful on the second one. Alright, there's that one. We'll set this up over here. Let's go ahead and open up the second one. There's the cover art on it. Nope, just gonna come off easy. Yeah, that's alright. Alright, we'll set these up and then we'll start taking a look at them. Hard plastic. Simple poses. These might make some great alien invaders for a stop motion video. Or maybe your custom diorama scenes. So, looks like the packs are pretty similar, just different colors. Let's take a look at this first guy here. Pretty creepy looking. Look at the tube running around, coming up from his head. All these other tubes up in here. I guess that could be his rib cage maybe, or just maybe more part of the arm. I guess it depends if you paint it or not. Here's his twin in green. You can see the mold line. I'm assuming these are plastic injection molding. They feel like it. Some type of stabbing, perhaps laser spear. Electric mace, maybe. I might paint one of these up. Assault rifle, maybe. He has kind of an orcish look about him. He doesn't have the cord running from his head down to the bottom. Little shield on his rifle. Let's take a look at the bigger gun guy. Maybe he's got a heavy flamer or something type of weapon. Gauss weapon maybe. Perhaps paint the head different than the face mask to show off those two different parts. These are pretty neat. I like these. So there we have it. Waranes. Amazing Plastic Toys. Instagram. Russia. Let's see how they stand up next to a Timmy Army man. So obviously they're a lot taller. And that's okay, because they're aliens. Maybe not, I shouldn't say a lot taller. Definitely bigger. Chunkier. Wider. Yeah. That'll make a good invasion force for the green or tan armies to fight off. Or maybe red or gray armies if you got those. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.